Simpolo is basically from we manufacture vitrified tiles and several sizing like bigger size and smaller size, like 800 by 1200, 800 by 800, 600 by 1200 and 600 into 600. We have got different applications, like we have got into for residents, we have got into parking also, parking tiles also we have. We have introduced newly parking tiles, which is a bigger size and thickness also more. It is very good for parking, and we have got exclusively plants. All the products are in-house products. We have got a plant of 800 by 800, 800 by 1200, as well as 600 into 600 also. We are based Gujarat-based company, and also we are into ceramic tiles. We have got several designs in ceramic, 8 by 12, 10 by 13, 12 by 18, and 2 by 1, and 3 by 1. And again, we are into sanitary. We are the fourth largest manufacturer of sanitary. We are into designer bowls, we are into regular sanitary, we are into imported sanitary. All are Simpolo group. We actually say it is a Simpolo group. We are into all the products. And even the vitrified tiles, we are the second largest in India in vitrified. So these are about the Simpolos. 20 branches we have, sir. 20 branches overall India we have got, and again in Hyderabad we have got an exclusively showroom in Srinagar Colony, which is 5000 SFT display with a company display. We have got a showroom. We have got a showroom at Srinagar Colony opposite to Green Bowersea. We have got exclusively showroom where client can see, architect can see, builder can see. We have got a very good presentation there. So all the products can be displayed there. We are the introducer of nanotechnology, and we have one tile which is Alaska tile, which is world whitest tile, and even Ratan Tata is using our product. So we have got that Alaska white tile and different sizes, and again we have got a compared to other competitors, whatever sizes we have, other competitors doesn't have. And we have got everything is in-house product. We are not outsourcing. We are all got in-house product, and our production capacity is compared to competitors. We are in a very higher side, like 32,000 square meter per day, which is second largest manufacturing company in India. Feeling happy because many of builders are there, many of architects are coming, many of individual clients are coming, and of course beside only our clients are there. So we are very happy to participate this particular show. Thank you.